Hi, I'm Jeff from Solar Choice. Solar Choice is a free online comparison service, and most importantly, we have no ties to any solar panel manufacturers. So in these reviews, we can say whatever we want. We're here today to talk about the REC Alpha Pure R 420 watt panel that I've got to my right here. It's been called one of the best, if not the best solar panel in the world. So let's find out why that is. REC is a almost 30-year-old company being founded in 1996 in Norway, and their main manufacturing facility is based in Singapore. REC have been named as a Tier 1 Bloomberg manufacturer, and what that means is they're amongst the most financially stable solar panel manufacturers in the world, and that really puts some weight behind their long warranties. REC's Alpha Pure R 420 watt panel that we've got here has also been named as a top performer by PV Evolution Labs in their independent testing. So each year PV Evolution Labs test a whole array of solar panels, and they publish the top performers across 8 different categories. So across 2 categories of testing, this REC panel was named as a top performer, which is a pretty good result. This solar panel features 80 half-cut heterojunction solar cells. So as you can see here, it's encased in an all-black aluminium frame, and the appearance is all black as well. So not only are the performance characteristics of this panel superior to most panels on the market, it's also going to give you a great aesthetic look on the roof. This solar panel is rated to a maximum efficiency of 22.3%, which puts it amongst the highest performing solar panels in terms of efficiency. One factor of these solar panels that holds them above a lot of the pack is the degradation rate. So all solar panels will typically degrade each year by about 0.4 to 0.7% per year after the first year. This solar panel will degrade at 0.25%, so a fair bit ahead of the pack in terms of its performance over time. So towards the back end of the life of this panel, you're going to see some really big differences between how this will perform versus your average panel. Another feature that we'd like to call out on this panel is its temperature coefficient, which is rated at 0.24% per degree. And what that means is, for the characteristics that appear on the data sheet, as you get a degree hotter or colder than the nominal operating temperature, the performance of the panel will drop off. However, this panel will drop off much slower than other panels on the market. So that's particularly interesting for us in Australia, where we have quite a hot climate, some areas getting up to 40 or 50 degrees. The REC tell us that they expect the performance of this panel to be up to 10% better than most solar panels in those conditions. So let's talk about the warranty aspects of this panel. REC offer a 25-year product warranty and a 25-year performance warranty. The main one we're interested in is the product warranty, as that covers manufacturing defects and all things that might go wrong with the panel that aren't due to normal wear and tear or improper installation. So the big point of difference here is REC's 25-year warranty covers both the parts and the labor. So if you need to have your panel inspected by an electrician, removed, and then replaced at a later date, all of those labor costs are covered by REC, whereas through most other solar panel manufacturers, you'll find that you're stuck with a bill for the electrician's time. So that's just about all we've got to talk today about this REC panel. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you've got any questions below in the comments. Thank you.